just a little package to tie everything up in a neat bow. So going through all the aspects of the vocal tract that we spoke about over the last month and doing one long exercise to address all of them. So we're going to start with our posture, feet shoulder width apart, roll those shoulders back, chest up, standing nice and tall, feet planted. Good. Then we have our breathing, right? Diaphragmic breathing, pelvic floor breathing, 360 breathing. Employ whatever one works for you at this given moment, but the goal is the pelvic floor breathing, okay? So you take in air through the nose, bring it down into your core, exhale it, crunch the stomach. Good. Inhale through the nose, bring it down to the core, hold it, suspend, let it out. Now I want you to do that, keep doing that, but this time I want you to take a deep breath in through the mouth. And on taking that deep breath in through the mouth, I want you to tell me if you could feel a cool stream of air hit the back throat before it goes down into your core. If you can feel that, your vocal tract is open, which is great. Let's do that again. Inhale, exhale. So you're going to feel cool air come in, warm air go out. Let's do that 4 times. And inhale, exhale. Feel that cool air. Inhale, exhale. 2 more times. Inhale, good. Exhale. 1 more time. Inhale and exhale. Good. Now let's make some sounds. With that cool air rushing in, instead of an exhale, I want you to make a buzz. So it goes like this. Give me 2 of those. Excellent. And that's your unmodified sound. That's the sound coming straight from your vocal cords. We haven't used our articulators and our modifiers yet. Okay, so you got that feeling? No pressure, no strain. We want that to be nice and cool and calm. Good. Now we're going to add a little vocal fry. So you're gonna go. Let's loosen the vocal cords. Join me on this one for 2 times. Vocal cords are slackened. Slackened and shortened. Now, let's do another one. Let's go into our falsetto, into our high-pitched notes, where we tighten and stretch. So it goes like this. Join me. And now let's do some owls, or what I like to call owls or sirens. We're gonna go from low to high. So it goes like this. Those vocal cords come together softly. Hold, stretch, and shorten as you go from high back down to low. Try it with me. And relax. One more time. Excellent. Good. Now let's go a little bit higher. Let's go into the larynx. Let's lower it. Yo, maybe gosh, hi guys, and yo, lower it, yo, yawn, sorry, I completely forgot. With the larynx, we're gonna yawn first to drop it and open up the throat. Here, low. Big yawn. Yo. Excellent. It's lowered larynx. Yo. Good. Now, if you want a high larynx, you swallow. Give me yuck. 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 Let's go from a yuck to a yo. Yuck. Yo. Yuck. Yo. Yuck. Yo. One more time on your own. Yeah, I like that. If you could feel the larynx moving, you got some good control happening there. Next, let's move up a little higher. Let's go into the pharyngeal region, back of the throat. Can you do this sound for me? Or anything that scratches the back of your throat or that touches the back of your throat. Or snoring. Let's go there. Let's go. And one more time. And now let's make a sound from back there. I want you to visualize your sound is coming all the way from the back of your throat, from that area where you just did. So the way that would sound, it would kind of sound like me right now, where you have a cold. Hi guys. Give me that. Hi guys. Good. Hi guys. You'll feel vibrations at the back of your throat. And hi guys. And hi guys. Now give me a note. 1, 2, 3 again. And nice. 1, 2. It's gonna feel weird, okay? If it feels weird, you're in the right place. All right, let's move a little higher. Let's go into the nasal cavity now. The sound nya, nya. And nya. Give me the sound. Nya, 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 nya. And nya, 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 nya. By yourself. That's what I'm talking about. Good. And nya, 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 nya. Nice. Let's play along with the soft palate a little bit with the onga. Onga. Give me that sound. Onga. Again. Onga. So you closing the soft palate. Now let's open it. Now, remember what I told you about the soft palate? Somebody with the stinky breath comes to you. You hold your nose, but you still want to talk. Soft palate is raised right now. Right now, my nose is blocked. Soft palate is raised. Now, let's try to sing our Tonic Solfa, what we just learned in the last episode, with our soft palate raised. And do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Good. Breathe it out. Raise it again. Block it. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Good. This sickness has me, but it's okay. And one more time. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Excellent. Lips now. Oh, the jaw, we forgot. Give me, thumb resistance. One more time. Nice. Shake it out, side to side. Let's do some tongue. Side to side. Lips. I didn't talk about this in the last video, but that's very important. Lip trills and good. We're getting all our vocal technical parts up and running before we actually sing a note. Nice and warm. One more time. Now let's do some consonants. Let's do P, T, K, F. P, T, K, F. P, T, K, F. P, T, K. Speed it up. P, T, K, F. 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 Relax. And there you have it. We ran through pretty much all the subject matter that we did in the last 30 days in one exercise. Thank you so much for joining me for this series. This is the end of the 30-day vocal component series. Now we'll be back to regular programming. Videos only once a week because your girl is busy. But stay tuned. I won't stop doing content for you. I will keep putting up videos. I'm also working on a Vocalfy site where you can get even more info over there. But in the meantime, let's just stick with the YouTube content and stay tuned for more, okay? I'm here working with you. You work with me and I work with you, okay? Thank you so much for joining me. I'm so excited for what we have in store and what we're going to be working on together. Signing off, it's your girl, Miss Chance. All right? Bye.